और आपकी तबीयत पानी?
आराम कर रहा हूँ।
क्यों, क्या हुआ?
नहीं, आराम अभी सब लड़का करता है अभी।
चलो अच्छा है।
बच्चे लोग बड़े हो गए ना अभी।
अच्छा, तो
25
आपको
साल
आपको
बच्चे।
आपको रिटायर कर दिया?
अरे जाता कभी कभी।
ये राजू मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है, बहुत ईमानदार है।
अच्छा, ईमानदार आदमी ये ज़्यादा टिकता है। मेहमान की 4 दिन होती।
हाँ, कभी उल्टा सीधा बात नहीं करता है।
मेहमान आदमी की 4 दिन होते हैं।
ये भी हाजी मलंग जाता है दरगाह वरगाह, इसके बच्चे लोग भी जाते हैं।
पानी है क्या?
हम्म?
खाते बड़े दुकान बीच में।
इसको 25 साल हो गया मेरी पहचान, ज़्यादा ही। और ये बोलता मैं 10 साल पहले आया था। मैं बोला पागल हो गया क्या? मेरे से मैं मिला हूँ कुछ 84 85 में, इससे मिला हूँ 84 85 में। 20 साल तो वही हो गए।
20 साल हो गए। 20 साल के ज़्यादा हुआ।
ज़्यादा हो ज़्यादा।
30 साल होते होने आए
जी
ना?
जी
84 बोलता हूँ।
जी।
दर्द देता है उससे। पानी ऐसे है, काबूत लगाने का नहाते टाइम पे ना, है ना? नहाते टाइम पे काबूत लगाओ। नहीं, एक ही दर्द दे रहा है दोनों में। ये ज़्यादा दर्द दे रहा है काय की वजह से।
Okay, now I try not to talk much on my videos, but this is a clarification. I come and shoot this guy Raju, and depends on the people that he's cleaning the ears. Some may object to my shooting them because I'm trespassing on their privacy as such. This gentleman and the guy before him, I knew them, so they didn't mind me taking the video. But it is tough to shoot people whom you don't know, and it's not in good taste also. I mean, I'm not doing this for money, I'm not doing this for anything, but this is a very important clarification that there are a lot of people that do not like their videos to be shot, they do not like their pictures to be taken while their ears are being cleaned. And there's a reason for it. There are a lot of people who work as cops in ordinary clothes, mufti, and they come here, and if I shoot their video or their pictures, it it goes against them because they're supposed to be on duty, and there are a lot of people that bunk work and come and get their ears cleaned. So this is a important part of shooting the ear cleaners of Bandra Bazaar. I mean Bandra Talao. And Raju, I pay him also. I pay him even if I don't have my ears cleaned. I pay him. But Raju and I have known him for last 30 years now. He was working in a construction company. I mean, he was a laborer in a construction company. It didn't do too well, and then last 20, 25 years. He began cleaning years. He came to Bombay from Karnataka. He was 19 years old. He's married. He's got children. He lives on rent. तो तुम रहते किधर हो? He stays in Mahim. Huh? Sitla Devi. He's staying near Sitla Devi. And there's no business here. It's too hot. It's very humid. He told me that he has come here at 9 in the morning. He's had his lunch at about 3 o'clock. He must have cleaned ears of about 5 or 10 people, I think. And at about 7 o'clock, he will go back home. This is his day. This is how he works. Now, you know, there are a lot of people who pass comments saying that I should shoot this way, that way. But then the problems are that I cannot, if I move, I'm shooting all this on a mobile phone. And a lot of people have taken objection to my shooting there. So I gauge, I see if the person is fine, he won't object to my shooting, I take a video, otherwise I avoid. And mostly I prefer to shoot from the back, you know. Oh, bhaiya, and now the guy who sat down didn't even pay him a cent. He just got his ears cleaned and he went away. And what does he do? He didn't give him a single penny. He didn't give him a penny, and he just walked away. I mean, this is the hazards of working as a ear cleaner.